STEM education being an integrated approach that fosters critical thinking, problem solving, creativity, and collaboration among students, I've come up with a 5E lesson plan. This 5E lesson plan is a teaching method that uses 5-step model that helps students to mainly learn concepts. Now, the 5 steps that I'm going to use throughout the lesson are engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. Now, how this works? Well, the first one, engage. This is where my introduction should be something that grabs the attention of all the children, and they're really interested in wanting to know more about what I'm going to teach them. Next is explore. This is where the children have to be given hands-on activity, something that they have their hands on and they are going to explore. This is where through observation and through analysis they are going to investigate on the topic that I'm going to give to them, and this happens in a group. Surely there will be a little bit of noise in the class, but that's how we are supposed to use it because it's going to be a group activity. Next is explain. Now this is where the children come out and tell about what they have explored and what is their observation all about. And once they have finished that, if the teacher feels that they have not observed in the right way, she is going to use the scaffolding method to get them to the right track. Also, she's going to use some way to explain in brief about the concept. Next is elaborate. This is the time where the children are given extra information related to the concept that they have learned, and that's where they have to apply the knowledge that they have gained to that new situation. Next and the last is evaluate. This is where the teacher receives the perfect feedback whether the children have understood or no. This can be done through asking questions or in any fun way possible. Well, the main concept behind using this 5E method plan is that children are constructors of their own knowledge. The teacher only stands as a guide. So, most of the activity in class is done by the child. The children themselves build up the knowledge regarding the concept. And now the concept that I want to teach my children in science is going to be lever and types of levers. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started.
Now today we are going to learn something really very interesting. Before we go on to that, I need a volunteer. Someone is really good. Okay, come. You don't know what I'm going to make you do, huh? You ready for it, right? Whatever I make you do? Alright. So, well, Luma, I've got some ginger over here. Okay. And now what you have to do is, here's a plate. Please move. Jessica, here's some ginger. Here's a plate. Now what she has to do is, she has to grind this with your own hands. I want a beautiful ginger paste. Can you do so? Try, come on. I'll let you go to the washroom, no worries. Come on, try. She's trying, okay, she is really trying. Alright, I want another volunteer. Continue. Please come. Yes, Bhumi. Now, Bhumi, I'm going to give you another task, okay? Now, your task is again ginger. But this time, instead of using our hands, which is really very difficult, okay, I'm going to give her a small tool. So here you have the hand grinder. Ready? Yes. I want proper ginger paste. Here you go. Yes. So, okay. She is on to it. Can you get the smell of She's got two parts over there. There's a grinding bowl and a grinding. Now I have a mixer. Needs electricity, blah blah blah, stuff like that. So I'm going to start putting a little bit of ginger there. And ready?
Yes.
On your ball.
Yes, sir.
She's also done a great job. Look. Yes. Now what? We cannot even compare to what Numa has done. Numa is just here. So well, that tells us we need some tool, isn't it? We cannot do some things by our own selves, right? So we need some tool. And thank you, Numa. That tool was first we took a grinding tool. Now look over here. She was grinding, I was grinding with a mixer. What Bhumi used was actually a simple machine, which is they have one or two parts and a very simple and easy structure. Simple, two parts, easy figure, easy to do. Alright, chap chap chap, work is done. Simple machine. But wherein I use something that is complex, which means these machines have many parts. Can I, if suppose this gets, if this breaks or something happens to this, will I sit and repair it? No, I will better not do it. I'll make it worse, right? Now so many tiny parts in it, isn't it? Even in this jar, there's a small plate. Inside the plate, there's a screw. The screw is not attached. Everything is there. All so many parts are there, and that's why this is necessary to complete the task. And for this purpose, parts are joined one to another. Therefore, these machines are called as complex machines. The structure is complex, and it is always very complicated. It's not a simple one. Clear? So, we learned, my darlings. Thank you, Numa. Thank you, my Bhumi. So, we learned simple machines, complex machines, and we learned they are very important also for our life. And from this, let's not go to the complicated stuff. Let's just keep it away. Let's focus on the simple machine. Today we are going to learn simple machines, and in simple machines we are going to learn a few types. Those are that there is an inclined plane, there is wedge, there is pulley, there is lever. Now I am going to talk to you more about lever. Today we are going to learn about lever. Focus on lever. Okay? The remaining we can do it later. Okay? Alright. So just keep them away. So I've got a few tools over here. Okay? Which I'm going to give you in groups. I'm going to make groups. Now I'll tell you. See? First row, two groups. There are 6 rows. So 3 and 3. 3 and 3. You can have these 1, 2, 3 and the remaining 3. And over here we can have 1, 2, 3, 4 and the remaining 3. Is it alright? Or okay, how about Jovita, you go behind the last bench. Yes. And Bhakti, Bhumi, sorry. Bhumi, can you join her? So we can have 3 perfect. Alright? Okay, that's enough? That's fine? Alright, I'm going to give you one tool each. Okay? So, the first, now I told you to get pencil, scale and eraser. All of you will not take it out now. Please keep it under your desk. The first group, your book number 1. Right? For you, you're going to take the pencil, you're going to place it on the table, alright? And you're going to put a sellotape. Hold on, hold on. Not you. These 3 rows, these 3 benches. Now, keep the pencil straight. Okay? Fix the pencil with the sellotape. Fix it on the table itself. Okay? And take a scale just like this. This load, this is going to be your eraser. Keep an eraser here. And keep your finger on this side. Can you do this setup? Yes? That's for group number 1. Group number 2, I'm going to give you a nail cutter. Yes, you're going to hold it. Hold on to it. You can pass it on to for everyone to see. Next group, you have a lemon squeezer. Okay. Third group, you have a scissor. Okay. Here. You can pass it on. You'll have to be discussing, darlings. You have to discuss among yourself. Okay. Next, we have copper picker. Okay. And then you have plier. Plier is for you. Be careful. Next, a clock clip. Oh, sorry, here. Clock clips for you. And okay, a bottle opener for you. Okay? Alright? Done. Everyone's got something? Yes. Now, what are you going to do? All of you saw the tool that you have in front of you? Yes. You all have it? Yes? Darlings, all of you have a tool. Now, first thing, there are 3 things you have to find out. 3 things you have to find out. The first thing, find a part that doesn't move. In that tool that you have, there is one particular part, darlings, I request you to first please pay attention. Darlings, honey, first pay attention. Listen to me. Later, you can continue. I am giving you time to get to your decisions. Got it? Shh. Darling, please. So, first thing, you have to find out a part that doesn't move. Second thing, a part on which pressure or force is applied. You have to apply a little pressure to that particular part of the tool. Third thing, the part that gets the work done. Whatever work you are doing, you're handling, that part is doing the work. Alright? Whatever part it is, lifting, carrying, cutting, breaking, that particular part is getting the work done. Clear? Ready? Start. Quietly. Yes. Done? Alright. Yes. Done? Are you still figuring it out? Done? Done or still figuring it out? Okay. So let's
तुम
Now,
कितने जाएंगे?
from among you, raise your hands down. From among you,
अच्छा, बाद में time.
one person to come with the tool and tell me what is what. Come on. Which means you have to give me those three parts. Darlings, your group has decided you. Group has decided. Which time is going to come? Group has decided. Ready? So, let's come. Darlings, we'll go one by one. Group number one. Yes. Sash. You just have to tell me a part that touches you, a part on which the pressure or force is applied, and the part that gets the work done. That's all. Just so simple. That's just three parts. Who is going to come? Come, darling. Come. Wait. Now, baby girls, they cannot get the tool stuck over there. Okay? So, yes. The eraser does not move. Okay. Pencil. Okay. Okay. Actually, you gave me one answer she gave me. They were actually the objects. She's talking about the objects. The eraser is not. I'm not talking about the eraser. The part in the entire structure. Which is the part that is not moving? Which part of the whole thing is not moving? Okay, here. Baby girls. Darling, can you be seated for now? All of you. Again. You know what mistake she did? She told me that the eraser is not moving. It's not moving. Pencil is not moving. Correct. And what she told me? The scale is getting the work done. Correct. And okay. Relax. Okay. So basically, I wanted not the object, but the exact part in this part. Okay. In this entire structure. Okay. Which part does not move? As you said correctly, the second time, the pencil does not move. Which means it's stable in that place. Very good. And which is the part where the pressure is put? Where are you putting the pressure? There. Exactly this part. This is the part where the pressure is put. You're putting your finger there. Next. Where is the part where the work gets done? What is actually happening? The scale is doing the work of lifting the eraser. Understood? So where is the part where the work is getting done? At the eraser. Over here is where the work is getting done. Clear? Now. Thank you so much. Next girl, come. Okay. Again, there's a small misunderstanding that she has. Again, this is the structure. This is the structure. Now look very carefully, babies. This is my nail. Okay? Work is getting done where? At the nail, this part. Where is the pressure being applied? Here. Which is that part which is not moving? This center, the screw.
Yes.
Understood? The screw part is not moving. There starts the center part which does not move. This is the part where I am applying the pressure, and this is the part where my work is done. Keep this in your mind. Next girl, come on, fast. Let's do that quickly. Come on. Are you getting the hang of it now? Yes. Very good. Yes. Very good. Pressure. Yeah, you're cutting it. Very good. Work is, what is the work? The cutting of the paper. The work is getting wonderful. Good job. This one. Next. Come on. Yes. Now are you getting it? Come on. Yes. Correct. This is the part which is not moving, and then this part you are applying pressure, and the work is getting done in the center. The center, you put this lemon over here, right? I put cotton. Okay. So, and then the work is getting done in the center. This is the part that does not move, and I am applying pressure here. Very good. Next. Come on, good job. Yes. Give the this is a part that does not move. Pressure in the center. So this is the part where the work is done. Wonderful. Good job. Next one. Next. Yes. Next, baby. Be quicker. Okay, yes. Now, the center doesn't move. Very good. Next. Oh, no. Thank you. Just tell me what doesn't move. Trust. We put pressure here. Come. The work is done by this. Very good job. Last row. Come on. Okay. Okay. This is a little tricky. I will use the picture to explain it. This is a little tricky, but I'll tell you. Okay? Alright. So, the part that doesn't move, we are going to give it a name called as fulcrum. What are we going to give it name? Fulcrum. So, part, now as I'm saying, point out the fulcrum in your object. Okay? Yes. So, the part on which the pressure is applied is called effort. Then, the part that gets the work done is called the load. Got it? Point it out. So, now, over here, my darlings, first row. First group, come on, get up. Can you identify? No. The part that doesn't move, fulcrum. Which is the fulcrum here? Very good. Fulcrum is right over here. Okay? Next. The part on which the pressure is applied is called effort, which is this effort. Not this way, darling. You yourself are. See how you're pressing it. See you're pressing. Press. You press, baby. See you're pressing. Where is it applied? Over here. Don't see this screen. Okay? Now, please. That's the color. And then finally, load. Where is the load? Your eraser is the load. Look at this very carefully. Darlings, my dear Jovita and that class group, please do not talk. The discussion time is over, so please be attentive right now. Next, sit down, darling. The nail cutter group, yes. Can you tell me where is the part and where is the fulcrum where does it move? Very good. That's the fulcrum over here. And where is the effort? Yes. And where is the load? Over here. Wonderful. Where the work gets done. Next group. Lemon squeezer group. Come on. Yes. Where is the fulcrum? As you said, very good. It's over Where's the fulcrum? Right in the center. Very good. Where is the effort? Yes. And where is the Lord? Over here. Good job. Sit down. Next. My clock. Clip. Yes. Sorry. Yes. Fulcrum. Center. Very good. Then your effort. Yes. And then that's your wonderful. Now let's come to the bottle cap. Now baby, listen here. See, it is a little tricky, but you have to know that there are 3 parts. Got it? You have to take the bottle opener and place it on the cap. When you place it on the cap, there is a tip over here. There is a tip over here. That's the part which presses the bottle downward. That's the part which does not move. Understood? It holds right still over there. There's another part which is kept beneath the cap. There's another part which is kept beneath the cap. And that's the part which is getting the work done. That is, it is lifting the cap. And here's the handle, here's your hand which is putting the pressure upwards. Understood? So now you tell me, where is the fulcrum? First is the fulcrum. Second is the effort. Load. This is the load. The work is getting done. It's opening. Isn't it? The work is getting done over here. Like finally it's your effort is over there. And the load is over here. Yes, understood? It's a little tricky because see, we picked up so many bottle openers, all at different shapes. You understood? But the main fact is this. This is how it works. Clear? Understood this? Now, I'm going to teach you a song. Ready? Ready for a song? Okay, sing. You know the song? The ants go marching one by one. Hurrah, hurrah. You know the song? Yes, miss. The same tune. Okay, wait a minute. Okay? The fulcrum in the center, first order. Sing. The fulcrum in the center, first order. Show your fingers. Go like this. You're going to do like this. So you know this is the fulcrum, okay? The fulcrum in the center, first order. Yeah? Okay? Now, the load in the center, second order. The load in the center, second order. Load in the center, second order. Fulcrum in the center, first order. Load in the center, second order. Effort in the center, third order. Effort in the center. You know what kind of machine is this? This kind of machine. Just think of tools I gave you. This kind of machine is called a lever. This is called a lever. And lever are of the various kinds depending on which part comes in the center. If fulcrum comes in the center, it's called the first order lever. If the load comes in the center, it's called the second order lever. And if the effort comes in the center, it's called the third order lever. Is that understood?
Yes.
Remember, we're learning about levers. All these are different kinds of levers. Levers are a kind of a simple machine. If you see, there are only 2 parts, max to max 3 parts in your, or just 1 part in your tool which I gave you. Isn't it? Let's go to the next. Alright, the fulcrum in the center, first order. The load in the center, second order. And the effort in the center, third order. That's the way levers work. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Now, baby girls, you all saw that. Baby, where is your fulcrum? Fulcrum in the center. Which order?
First order.
Very good. Easy? If it's so difficult, you will do it. Fulcrum in the center. First order. Next. Fulcrum in the center.
Second order.
Fulcrum in the center.
First order.
Who is in the center? Understood? Okay. So, fulcrum in the center. First order. Next. Next. My baby is ready? Who is in the center?
Load.
Lord in the center.
Second order.
Okay, very good. Next.
First order.
Very good. Fulcrum, now sing.
Fulcrum in the center. First order.
Very good. Now next.
Effort in the center.
Lord in the center. Second order. Effort in the center.
Third order.
So effort in the center.
Third order.
Okay. Next.
Fulcrum in the center. First order.
Very good. Next. You also.
Fulcrum in the center. First order.
Very good. Yes. Now. Who's in the center? Lord
In the center. Second order.
Clear.
Yes.
Understood. Easy.
Yes.
That's it. You learned all the types of orders also. It was so easy. Now remember one thing, you may get confused. What if fulcrum comes here, effort comes here? Let it come. Let it come. See, we are only interested in what comes in the middle. Now see, fulcrum comes here. Where is the load? Here. Where is the effort? Here. In the moment I turn, effort came here, load came here. Don't even think of it. Got it? Just be interested in who is coming in the center. If you know what's coming in the center, no matter how you change. Now what's coming in the center? Effort. If I do like this also, effort only. Like this also effort only. Up also effort only. Effort in the center. Keep that in your mind. Alright? So well. So now take out your pencils, all of you, and take a long scale. Take the pencil in a bench. Now, give If you have a pen, sharpener, keep eraser on one side and try to press on the other side. Put some pressure on the other side. Are you ready? Okay, I'll give you a minute. Now, baby girls, there's a small scale. First, we'll use the small scale, okay? Keep your big scale away. Take the small scale, put the erasers on one side. If you have a sharpener, put the sharpener on top of the eraser and try to press it from one side. Pressing. Is it being lifted very easily? Yes, very easy. Yes, darling. No, be slow, be gentle. Alright? Yes. Okay. Now, baby girls, if you see this, the part, where are you putting a pressure? On one side. That part of the lever, girls, from the fulcrum, look over here, darlings. The fulcrum is your pencil at the center. It's acting as a fulcrum. It's acting as a fulcrum. Now, that part to the effort part, alright, that's called the effort arm. Effort arm. Easy to understand? The part from the fulcrum to where the load is kept, that's called the load arm. That's called the load arm. Now, there's a small secret that we have to understand. If suppose, look carefully, there's a fulcrum in the center. Yes, there is a load over here. If it is very heavy, if you increase the effort arm, the distance of the effort arm from the fulcrum, it will be easy to pick it up. Let's try. Come on. Make the load arm short. Make the load arm short. Alright? And make the effort arm tall. Ready? Now press. Press. Come on. If you notice, darling, if you notice, you barely have to put effort. It's already on the top. Yes or no? Did you notice that? You barely have to put any effort. The eraser is already up. Alright? The eraser is already on the top. It's already lifted. So do you understand now why, if there is a heavy load that you have to carry, just by using this technique, by increasing the effort arm and making the load arm short, you can very easily lift any heavy load. Now try with the longer scale. Come on. Try with the longer scale. Same thing. Those who don't have, it's okay, no problem. Just try with the longer scale and you will see that. The longer the arm, the easier it is to lift it. Isn't it? Now increase the effort arm. Increase the effort arm. Bring it closer. Yes. Very good. Yes. Yes. Bring it closer to the pencil. Yes. Very good. Very good. Yes. Yes. This is a technique that farmers use if there are big rocks which are stuck and it's not coming out. This is the technique that farmers use. Here, please keep that in your mind. Rijul, are you tight? Are you ready to ask a question? Rasika, are you ready, darling? Yes, come on. Now, is Rasika, are you ready? Look, this is a seesaw. Up and down. The fulcrum, the part that doesn't move. Let's see the center.
The center.
Okay, and where is the Lord?
Please go to the side.
It can be both the sides. Depends on who goes up and who goes down. Let's see your answers. Very good. Okay. So here's the effort or here's the load, but it keeps changing, but the fulcrum doesn't change. So which order? This row. Are you ready for me answering a question? Where is the fulcrum? Yes, my Arvi. Down part. Here is the after screw is the fulcrum. Very good. Where is the load? In the center. This is the load. And where is the effort? Here, the man who is pushing the cart. Understood? Clear? Let's go. Which order is this? Load in the center. Load in the center. Very good. Yes. Difficult? Yes. Aradhya, tell me. Where is the fulcrum? This? This is the corner now? Yeah. Fulcrum is here. Where is the load? Middle one. The work is getting done. Where's the effort? Yes. You have the load in the center. Load in the center. Which order? Second order. Very good. Second order now. It's low. What is the third order? Which is the center? Very good. Which is first order? Okay. Wonderful. Thank you, my little babies. I'm so happy that you've learned so much. Next lesson, we are going to learn more about pulley and inclined plane. That will learn something. Okay.